Hey guys, welcome back to this video, and I just want to inform you that from today on, actually I'll be making a video series on web development, okay? And you're gonna be learning how to make beautiful websites, and for web development you're gonna be learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript, okay? So I'm gonna make a video series on all of them. So our first video series is going to be about HTML, okay? So this is the first video on HTML. Now let me just first tell you what HTML is. Okay, so HTML is the skeleton of the website, and HTML describes the structure of the web page. Okay, so any website you make using HTML, you're gonna create basically, the website, the skeleton, and for designing it, you're gonna use CSS. Okay, and as we are learning HTML first, I'm just gonna tell you what about HTML. And the acronym HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So obviously, this indicates that HTML is a markup language. And hypertext means that it contains links, okay, to other pages and to different pages, okay. So the main feature of HTML is that you can go from one page to another using hyperlink. Now let's dive into the syntax of HTML. So today we're only gonna cover the syntax. So let's dive right into it. Okay. So as we are just starting off, I'm just gonna show you the syntax of HTML using Notepad. Okay. So I'm gonna be using Notepad for showing the syntax because for simplicity. Okay. And on later days, I'll be using my favorite text editor, which is Visual Studio Code, for writing codes. Okay. So, but for HTML and CSS, you do not need any specific kind of text editor. You just need a browser and a notepad to write the codes on, and you'll be ready. Okay. So let's quickly jump into the syntax. Okay. So the syntax is quite easy. So first of all, So just for simplicity, just understand that HTML is a group of tags. Okay. So first, using the angle brackets at the front and at the end, and also don't forget the exclamation mark, which most beginners tend to do. Okay, so doctype, which means doctype represents that the document is an HTML file document. Okay, HTML5 document. Okay, so I'm using the latest version, HTML5. This is specified by doctype. Okay, and inside the doctype there's gonna be a tag, which is the HTML tag, which represents that there is going to be now our beginning of HTML. Okay, so HTML element is root element of an HTML page. Okay, so this specifies that this is the beginning of an HTML file page. Okay, so I'm indenting this a little for the sake of readability, and inside of this, but before this, I have to just tell you that any tag that you write, you have to close it as well. Okay, you have to close the tag as well. So you close it like this, slash and then HTML. Okay, then angle bracket, and then inside of this, I'm gonna write some other codes. Okay, and I've indented it for the sake of readability. And okay, so on another tag, the next tag that we're gonna have is the head tag. Okay, again inside of this, head tag is gonna be there. Again, as I just told you, there's gonna be the ending tag as well. Okay, so ending will be like this. Okay, so the ending of the head tag. And what does head tag do is it contains all the meta information and also the title of the page. Okay, so the title of the page, whatever title that we're gonna give to the page. For example, in our case, let's say the title here is, okay, so the title tag will be like this, a little bit of indentation, and then title tag. There will be an ending tag, but the title tag is going to be a little short term. We're not going to write anything inside the title tag, so we're going to end it just in the same line. Okay. Okay. And one thing that I remembered just right now is to tell you is that HTML is not case sensitive, meaning that whether you write lowercase alphabets or uppercase alphabets, it won't make any difference. Okay. But most people prefer to use the lowercase alphabet, okay? And you can also use uppercase as well, but do not actually mix them while using, okay? But most preferable is the lowercase, okay? Inside the title tag, just write the title. For example, the title, let's say in our case we give it HTML page, HTML page, okay? So this is a title, and after the title there comes the meta tag, okay? So meta tag is like this: meta, and then after meta, then character set is gonna be equal to UTF-8. Okay, so what does this represent? I'm not gonna explain it right now because this is not relevant. Just remember this: if you don't write this, then it's still okay. But for advanced things like SEO, we write meta tags. Okay. Now after this, our head is complete. Now after the head tag, there comes the body tag. Okay, so the main thing, everything goes in the body tag. Everything that appears on the website is of body tag. Okay, tag of the body tag there. Now inside the body tag, we can write whatever thing that we want to write. Okay, so inside the body tag, anything that you want to write is gonna be there. So let me just maximize it a little. Okay. So there you have it. Inside the body tag, there are different tags that we specify for writing a website like H1. I'm not going to explain H1 right now at the moment because I was just telling you the basic thing, the syntax of just the HTML page, and we have other tags like inside the body tag. We have other tags like p tag, div tag, and we do not certainly write like this. We write it inside of the angle brackets and along with ending tags, okay? So there are some other tags which do not have ending, okay? But I will not explain this right now because it is not the topic for today, okay? So this was the syntax, and I thought you have got it well. So see you guys in my next video.